Hey everyone, it's me, Megs, and I'm back with another protective style. Yes, I have been loving V-part wigs, and I'm loving this long bob. This is actually a 14-inch bob, and it almost looked like my hair, like almost. And this unit is by You Nice. You know, I just learned it's pronounced You Nice and not Eunice, girl. But anywho, I did wash and condition the hair, and this is how the hair air dried, a wavy texture. Okay, it's really super soft and very silky. So to flat iron this hair, I am going to use my Care Silk and Seal just to add some shine and like a heat protectant too, because you still do want to protect the hair on your wig to make sure it lasts long, right? Okay, so I'm just going to comb that through. And with this unit, I did notice it did have a bit of flyaway hair, so I did need to add some hairspray to the hair. Quite a bit of hairspray, I will be honest. So I just lightly misted the hair with some hairspray and combed it through just to kind of tame some of those shorter hairs that I noticed. And the hair does flat iron very well. One pass, two pass, about three passes, and that's all you really need. It's a very easy wig to flat iron. So I'm just going to continue doing that. I do always flat iron my wigs on freshly washed and conditioned units. So that definitely does make a difference when it comes to how your units wear. So I definitely suggest that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to flat iron this unit. And with this unit, with the hair, I did notice it kept getting those like static flyaway hairs as well. So I just took a fabric softener sheet and just kind of gently ran it over the wig, and it fixed those static flyaway hairs. So as you can see, I really don't know if it was a product or if it was something I was doing wrong, why it was doing that, but it totally fixed itself with the dryer sheets. So this is how the unit looks. Nice and flat ironed, very shiny. I'm loving the color of this unit, and the density of this unit is 150, and the inch is 14 inches. And like I said, this is a V-part unit, and I was really excited about this because I always love V-parts that have the clips for security. When I say I love the clip-in V-part ones, yes. So this does have a total of 5 clippy clips, and it does have adjustable strap at the back as well as a comb and 2 combs on the side, I believe. Yes, on the side in the middle, and the cap is constructed very well. So I only do a very thin part when it comes to U parts because I want to make sure my hair is nice and protected. So I did put my hair in a loose ponytail and pin the rest of my hair up into kind of like a lazy bun, just so it can lay flat in the back. So that's why I did it like that. So I'm just going to pop this bad boy on, and I love V-part units because you're in and out of the door within 5-10 minutes, you know. So I am loving how this is looking so far. I'm loving the length, and I'm loving the snap-on clips because, you know, some of the other V-part units that I've had in the past, it would be just a comb and it would kind of weigh on my hair, and that can cause breakage too. So when I do wear V-part units, I only wear them for a few hours and take them off at night. I never sleep in them. So I'm loving that I was only able to do just a little bit of leave out, and my hair is a bit dirty, okay? So I did run a flat iron through my hair on literally 300 degrees, a very low heat, just to help blend my hair with the V-part unit hair. And so it's blending pretty well even with my hair being dirty. So that's why I love V-part units. Like if my hair is dirty from working out and sweating in my scalp, I can just pop this bad boy on and look real cute. So I am loving how this unit is looking so far, but the flyaway statics was kind of like, ooh girl, you got to keep doing that. And let me know in the comments below what I can do to avoid that. But overall, this unit is absolutely stunning. I'm loving this blunt bob. It's very soft. It flat ironed very well, and I am loving it so much. Now, I will say with this V-part unit, it was just a tad bit big, so I wasn't able to get it to lay as flat in the back area, but the front area laid pretty flat, making it look very natural and super cute. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and all information about this unit is down in the description below, and I'll see you all later.